Hello friends, the topic of this video is advantages of data warehouse. So in this video we will discuss advantages and also disadvantages of data warehouse. So what is data warehouse? Data warehouse store huge amount of data which simple database cannot accommodate. So that's why data warehouse is needed. So let us see the advantage of data warehouse. First advantage is accommodate huge amount of data, means it can accommodate terabytes of data, and it depends how you design the data warehouse. In internet it is said that, or on www world wide web, the data gets doubled after every 18 months. So to accommodate that huge amount of data we require data warehouse. Now it also accommodate the data from various sources. So it accepts CSV file, XML file, all the files, XML file, database, and all these things. So it accommodate data from various sources. Accommodate data from various sources, not only from single source. So this is the second advantage. Now since huge data is available, from that huge data you can extract very useful information. More data you will get more information. So you can do the better analysis. Now whenever you do better analysis in business, you will your business gets maximized, or you can increase your business through better analysis of data. So this is the fourth advantage, that improvement in the business, improvement in business for by doing better analysis. Next advantage is you can do better reporting of the data. So from data you can generate the reports. So more is the data, more useful report can be generated. So better reports can be generated. If if data is too small, then you will not get that much useful report, but if data is too huge you can generate the better reports. Then data warehouse store historical data also, which can be used at any time. So the data in data warehouse is non volatile, so it can accommodate historical data also, and it store the data over the years. Accommodate historical data. Okay, and which can be stored over the years. So that is the main advantage of data warehouse. So next is more data is available, you can easily find the relationship between the data. The example I give you, let us say if you go to shopping mall, if you purchase t-shirt, then jeans can be purchased. If you purchase hammer, then nail can be purchased. If you purchase bread, then milk can be purchased. So how this the relationship is find out? It is through transactions, and all these transactions are stored in data warehouse. So through transaction analysis, that is data analysis, you can improve your business. So you can find relationship between the data if there is data warehouse. So these are the main advantages of data warehouse. Now in the same way, let us see the disadvantages of data warehouse. So let me clean the board. Disadvantages of data warehouse. So first disadvantages, since the data is coming from various sources, it can be in different format, and in data warehouse you should store the data in one unique format. So storing the data from various format and converting into one unique format is one of the headache. So uh, or data integration is one of the main problem in data warehouse, because since the data is in different format and converting into one unique format is very critical task or very difficult task. So that's why data integration is difficult, or you can say it takes more time. Then so if the data is too used, then response time can be very small. Suppose if you want to do real time analysis of the data and response from the data warehouse is low, then you cannot get the proper real time analysis. So if you are creating real time dashboard, the data should be updated very quickly in the dashboard. Through data warehouse, it may not be possible. So due to low response time, real time analysis may get delayed. So this is second disadvantage. Now if you are maintaining data warehouse as an organization, then maintaining that data warehouse will require lot of cost. If you are not accessing data that much frequently, then data warehouse maintenance is very you can say you have to spend lot of money on that. So operating cost is high. Operating cost for maintenance data warehouse is very high. Okay, so if you are maintaining the data warehouse and then if you are accessing the data frequently, then it is okay. Otherwise, operating cost is very high. You have to assign a resource person to handle it, or you have to assign some database administrator to maintain the data warehouse. Um, so these are the some disadvantages of data warehouse. Sometimes the data is too complex that you cannot understand. So maintaining that data is also that much difficult. So that is the disadvantage of data warehouse. So this is about the advantages and disadvantages of maintaining the data warehouse. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.